Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the handbrake on your Audi A4 B6. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off. Gather your tools, including a 10mm wrench and a flathead screwdriver. Make sure the handbrake lever is completely down, indicating it is fully disengaged before you begin any work. Next, you need to access the adjustment mechanism. Begin by carefully removing the rear ashtray and its surrounding trim piece. Then, gently lift the gear selector boot to expose two retaining screws beneath it. After removing these, unclip and lift the entire center console assembly. This will reveal the handbrake cables and their adjustment nuts. Now, let's perform the actual adjustment. You will see two 10mm nuts at the base of the handbrake lever. Using your wrench, tighten both nuts evenly, a little at a time. The goal is for the handbrake to engage firmly between 3 and 5 clicks. After tightening, ensure both rear wheels spin freely when the handbrake is completely down. Finally, it is time for reassembly and thorough testing. Carefully reinstall the center console, making sure all clips snap into place and screws are tightened. Once everything is back together, test the handbrake on a slight incline to confirm it holds the vehicle securely. Also, double-check that it fully releases, allowing your rear wheels to spin without any drag. Your handbrake is now properly adjusted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.